children, good morning. Children, today I am going to start with the lesson 8 Passage of Time. So all of you open page number 274 in your textbooks, lesson 8 Passage of Time. Before going to start the lesson, let us see the warm-up part, children. Make a list of Indian historical monuments you have visited or heard about. So we have so many monuments, historical monuments in India. So you have to make a list of them. For example, you can see Red Fort, right, in Delhi, like this. So you have to make a list of them that you visited or that you have heard early, okay? And do you know who built these monuments and why? So whatever you have listed, once think that do you know who built these monuments and for what purpose? Children, in this lesson you are going to learn periods in Indian history. See, the history of India. The branch of social studies that deals with past events is called history. History means the study of past events, the study of or ancient times. We call it as history. The history of India goes back thousands of years. So, we will learn in history what happened before thousands of years. Our history has been divided into 3 periods. The ancient period, the medieval period and the modern period. So, our history has been divided into 3 periods. The ancient period, the medieval period and the modern period. Let us see the ancient period. According to historians, who are historians, children? See, people who are experts at the study of history, we call them as historians. People who are experts at the study of history, we call them as historians. So, according to historians, around 2500 BCE, an advanced civilization existed near the Indus River. So, advanced civilization means? Civilization means a human society made up of different cities with cultural and technological development. So, according to historians, around 2500 BCE, an advanced civilization existed near the Indus River. Items like pottery, seals, jewelry and other remains help us understand the people and their lives during that time. So items like pottery, jewelry and seals and other things that they have used, those help us to understand the people and their lifestyle during that time, during the past time. I mean ancient time, okay? It stretched from northwestern India to present-day Pakistan. So this Indus River stretched from northwestern India to present-day Pakistan. It was the Indus Valley or Harappan civilization. So this we call it as Indus Valley or Harappan civilization. It was named so because Harappa was the first city of this civilization to be discovered by historians. So, Harappa was the first city of the Indus Valley civilization to be discovered by historians. And another important city from the civilization is Mohenjo-daro. So, Harappan and Mohenjo-daro are the cities of Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization. The civilization had well-planned cities and buildings like the Great Bath in Mohenjo-daro and the Granary in Harappa. So these civilizations has well-planned cities and buildings like Great Bath. This is the Great Bath in the city Mohenjo-daro and Granary in Harappa. Indo-Aryans came to India from Central Asia around 1500 BCE. So, Indo-Aryans. These Indo-Aryans came to India from Central Asia. They settled in northwest India. So they came to India, and these Indo-Aryans settled in northwest India. The Aryans grew crops and domesticated animals. Domesticated animals means tamed and kept animals for work. So these Indo-Aryans used to grow crops and domesticated animals. They performed sacrifices and open-air ceremonies. So this age is also called the Vedic Age, as Vedas were written during this period. So Vedas were written by Indo-Aryans. So this age is also called as the Vedic Age, as Vedas were written during this period, during Indo-Aryans period. In about 6th century BC, many Janapadas and Mahajanapadas arose throughout the North India, among which Magdha was most important. So many Janapadas and Mahajanapadas came into focus throughout the North India. Among these, Magdha was most important one. All these Janapadas and Mahajanapadas were slowly and steadily absorbed by Magdha. So all these Janapadas and Mahajanapadas were steadily absorbed by this Magdha. Alexander, the powerful ruler of Macedonia in Greece, attacked India in 326 BCE. So Alexander the Great, Alexander the powerful ruler of Macedonia in Greece, he is the powerful ruler of Macedonia in Greece, he attacked India in 326 BCE. He defeated King Porus of Punjab, but was very impressed with the king's bravery. So the Alexander the Great defeated King Porus of Punjab, but he was very impressed with the king's bravery.